morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. It is Miss Scam's Travels. Today we are going to Long Branch, New Jersey. This is a beach day for me. It's my day off. It is currently, what degrees is it? I think it's 83 degrees right now. Perfect beach day. It was raining a little bit yesterday. They did say it's going to be a little bit of rain in the forecast today. Praying that I don't get rained on, but I'm just going to use this day to relax. I got my book, I got my journal. Gonna walk the boardwalk. I bought a resort pass to a resort called Wave Resort. They had this nice pool that overlooks the beach, beachfront views. It has a swim up bar. They have the cabanas. They have the sunbeds, and I'm just gonna be lounging around. I'm so excited to be able to experience this day off and go to the beach because I have free will and I'm able to do that. So come along on this journey with me, guys, and stay tuned to see everything that it is that Long Branch, New Jersey has to offer. Long Branch, I think, is about an hour and 30 minutes away from Philly. So right now it's currently 9:20, so we're heading on the road. So stay tuned for that. I have all my essentials ready for the beach. This is the bag that I'm bringing. I got this from Aruba, and then this bag is from Shein. This has my sunscreen, my book, my camera, towel, flip-flops. I do have an extra change of clothes because I plan to go to dinner out there as well. And I got my water bottle. We're all ready to go. Yeah, but it's so windy here, you guys. It's so windy. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill out here for a little bit. Let's get into the scenery. I have my book right here, my journal. We're just gonna make the best out of it. At the end of the day, I am here. I made it safely, and that is all that matters. So, thanks. Drink called Cool Comfort. This is nasty. It's like, no, it's not nasty. It's okay. It says Kettle One cucumber, simple syrup, and then mint white cranberry. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold. This spilled all on me. I have the towels wrapped around me because it is freezing. People are in the pool. I dip my feet in because I don't know if the pool is heated or not. I'm not too sure, but either way, this wind is too much for me. Like, I'm always cold, and this wind is not doing anything for me. The resort pass, I paid $110 in total, and I feel like if this was a sunnier day, it would have been worth it. I would have been in the water at the swim up pool because they have a swim up bar right there, but it's too cold. I'm not getting in that water. It's not. This is the struggle, y'all. Struggle. Y'all know I'm literally always cold. Always cold. I was planning on going to the gym today too, but I'ma chill, cause you know, muscle mania. Anyways, I'm about to go to the beach for a little bit, not long at all, cause I'm not staying. I just want to get like a couple pictures, put my feet in the water, and then I'm going to eat because your girl is hungry. Isn't that bad compared to how windy it is out here. The water isn't like that bad. I'm still not putting my bathing suit on though. It's too cold. Not bad. Found this place on TikTok called Rooney's, I guess. Oceanfront view. I'm trying to debate if I want to eat outside or inside. I gotta see. We'll see what the food is like. I decided to go inside. As much as the views was nice outside, I just can't. I know me, and I know I'm gonna be complaining about how cold it is. You see that way. First of all, you know I always eat with my eyes. I was being a fat ass, and I said, is there any way I can get any bread to go with this? Because look at all this curry sauce. I'm like, I need some type of bread to soak it up. This is a lie. And I also ordered an entree, y'all. Oh my gosh. And then here is the entree. I got grilled shrimp and fries, chili and garlic sauce, I believe, with asparagus and garlic mashed potatoes.